Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Family Trip and we are live, well, not live, but you know what I mean, from beautiful Madrid, Spain. Today, we're ditching the museums and the city chaos for a bit to explore the wild side of this city. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the top 5 natural spots in and around Madrid. Whether you're a die-hard nature enthusiast or just need a little fresh air after all the tapas and sangria, trust me, these places are a must-visit. So grab your walking shoes, slap on some sunscreen, and let's hit it. First up, we're hitting up the crown jewel of Madrid's parks, the one and only Retiro Park. This park is not just a green space, it's a living, breathing part of Madrid's history and culture. Established in the late 17th century, it was originally a royal retreat, hence the name Retiro, which means retreat in Spanish. Over the centuries, it has evolved into a public park that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance. This place is like Central Park's cooler Spanish cousin. Imagine a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life without actually leaving the city. Retiro Park is that place. It's a sanctuary where locals and tourists alike come to unwind, exercise, and enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're into jogging, yoga, or just lounging on the grass with a good book, Retiro has something for everyone. Seriously, it's over 350 acres of pure green goodness right in the heart of the city. That's a lot of space to explore. You can wander through its many pathways, discovering hidden corners and secret spots that make you feel like you've stepped into another world. The park is meticulously maintained with manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and towering trees that provide ample shade on hot summer days. You walk in here and it's like instant tranquility. We're talking lush gardens that are a feast for the senses. The Rose Garden, for instance, is a must-see. With over 4,000 roses in bloom, it's a riot of color and fragrance that will leave you spellbound. And let's not forget the Parterre Garden, a formal French-style garden that dates back to the 18th century. Its geometric design and perfectly trimmed hedges are a testament to the artistry of landscape gardening, a shimmering lake where you can rent rowboats. The lake, known as the Estanque Grande, is one of the park's most iconic features. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering a serene setting for a leisurely boat ride. As you row across the calm waters, you can take in the stunning views of the surrounding greenery and the impressive monument to King Alfonso the that overlooks the lake, and even a freaking crystal palace. The Palacio de Cristal is a breathtaking structure made almost entirely of glass and iron. Built in 1887, it was originally designed to house exotic plants from the Philippines, which was then a Spanish colony. Today, it serves as an exhibition space for contemporary art, adding a touch of modernity to the park's historical charm. Yeah, you heard that right, a crystal palace. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a flood of natural light that creates a magical atmosphere. The interplay of light and shadow, combined with the reflections on the glass walls, makes it a photographer's dream. It's a place where art and nature coexist in perfect harmony. It's like something straight out of a fairy tale. And if you visit at sunset, the palace takes on an even more enchanting quality. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a warm glow on the glass, making it look like it's bathed in liquid gold. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left the park. And don't even get me started on the statues and monuments scattered around the park. Each one tells a story, adding layers of history and culture to your visit. From the majestic monument to Alfonso the to the whimsical fallen angel statue, there's something to pique everyone's interest. These sculptures are not just decorative, they are integral parts of the park's identity, each with its own unique backstory. Every corner you turn is like a history lesson. Informative plaques provide context and background, making your stroll through the park both educational and enjoyable. You'll learn about Spain's rich history, its artistic heritage, and the many figures who have left their mark on this beautiful country. You could spend an entire day here just soaking it all in, and honestly, I wouldn't blame you if you did. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, Retiro Park has something to offer. So next time you're in Madrid, make sure to carve out some time to explore this green oasis. Trust me, you won't regret it. Next up on our nature adventure, we're heading to Casa de Campo, and let me tell you, this place is massive. Imagine a green oasis right in the heart of Madrid, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in nature. Casa de Campo is not just any park, it's a sprawling expanse of greenery that offers something for everyone. We're talking over 4,000 acres of pure outdoor bliss. That's right, over 4,000 acres. To put that into perspective, that's like having a small forest right in the middle of a bustling metropolis. Whether you're an avid nature lover or just someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Casa de Campo has got you covered. It's actually 5 times larger than Central Park, which is insane. Just think about that for a moment. Central Park is already huge, but Casa de Campo takes it to another level. It's a place where you can truly get lost in nature, wander through endless trails and discover hidden gems at every turn. You could easily get lost in here, but that's part of the fun, right? Imagine spending an entire day exploring, hiking through dense forests, stumbling upon serene lakes, and maybe even spotting some wildlife. It's an adventure waiting to happen, and the best part is, it's right here in Madrid. We're talking miles of hiking and biking trails, winding through some of the most beautiful landscapes you'll ever see. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, there's a trail for you. And if biking is more your speed, you'll find plenty of paths to satisfy your need for speed. A zoo, an amusement park, and so much more. The zoo is home to a wide variety of animals, making it a perfect spot for a family outing. And the amusement park? It's packed with rides and attractions that will thrill visitors of all ages. From roller coasters to carousels, there's something for everyone. Even a freaking cable car that gives you panoramic views of the entire city. Imagine gliding high above the treetops, taking in breathtaking views of Madrid's skyline. It's an experience you won't want to miss, offering a unique perspective of the city and its natural surroundings. This is where you come to escape the city grind, breathe in some fresh air, and maybe even work up a sweat. Whether you're jogging along the scenic trails, practicing yoga in a quiet corner, or simply lounging on the grass with a good book, Casa de Campo offers the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. It's the perfect place to spend a day with the family or just get some peace and quiet. Pack a picnic, bring a blanket, and enjoy a leisurely day in the great outdoors. Watch the kids play, take a leisurely boat ride on the lake, or simply soak in the tranquility of this natural haven. Casa de Campo is more than just a park. It's a sanctuary where you can reconnect with nature and find a moment of peace in the midst of a bustling city. Alright, for our next stop, we're taking things a bit slower with a stroll along Madrid-Rio. This is a totally different vibe from the other parks, more urban but still super chill. Imagine this, a lush green corridor stretching for miles along the Manzanares River, right in the heart of the city. You've got walking paths, bike lanes, fountains, bridges, even little cafes and bars where you can grab a drink and soak up the atmosphere. It's the perfect place to escape the city noise for a bit, go for a run, have a picnic, or just people watch. Plus, the views of the river are pretty epic, especially at sunset. Now, if you're looking for a real adventure, something to get your heart pumping, then buckle up because we're heading to the Sierra de Guadarrama Mountains. This mountain range is just a short drive from Madrid, but it feels like a world away. We're talking towering peaks, dense forests, crystal clear lakes, and breathtaking views that will make you question if you're still on planet Earth. This is where you come to hike, rock climb, mountain bike, or in the winter even ski or snowboard. It's the perfect place to escape the city, reconnect with nature, and challenge yourself physically and mentally. Trust me, the views from the top are worth every step. Last but not least, we're finishing our nature tour with a touch of elegance at the Royal Botanical Garden. This historic garden, established in the 18th century, is a true gem in the heart of Madrid. It offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, providing visitors with a tranquil oasis where they can reconnect with nature. This place is like a living museum, showcasing plant life from all over the world. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by an incredible diversity of flora. The garden is divided into several sections, each representing different regions and climates, making it a fascinating journey through the plant kingdom. We're talking over 5,000 different species of plants, from towering trees to delicate flowers, each with its own unique story and characteristics. The towering trees provide a majestic canopy, while the delicate flowers add splashes of color and fragrance to the air. It's a sensory delight that captivates visitors of all ages. All meticulously arranged in themed gardens, these sections are designed to educate and inspire. You'll find everything from medicinal plants to ornamental gardens, each meticulously curated to showcase the beauty and diversity of the plant world. The themed gardens are not only visually stunning but also offer valuable insights into the importance of plants in our lives. You can wander through greenhouses where rare and exotic plants are carefully nurtured. These greenhouses provide a controlled environment for plants that require specific conditions to thrive. Relax by fountains, where the soothing sound of water creates a peaceful ambiance. The combination of lush greenery and flowing water is truly therapeutic. Or just find a bench and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. The garden is dotted with numerous benches strategically placed to offer the best views and moments of solitude. It's the perfect spot to sit back, relax, and let the beauty of nature wash over you. Whether you're reading a book, meditating, or simply daydreaming, the garden provides a serene backdrop for all your activities. It's the perfect place to escape the city bustle, learn something new, and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. The garden offers educational programs and guided tours that provide deeper insights into the plant species and their ecological significance. It's a wonderful opportunity to expand your knowledge and develop a greater appreciation for the environment, and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Every corner of the garden is a testament to the wonders of nature. From the vibrant colors of the flowers to the intricate patterns of the leaves, there's always something new to discover. It's a place where you can truly connect with the natural world and find inspiration in its beauty. Plus, it's located right next to the Prado Museum, one of the most renowned art museums in the world. This proximity allows you to seamlessly blend a day of cultural enrichment with a refreshing nature experience. After exploring the masterpieces at the Prado, you can take a leisurely stroll through the garden, making it a perfect combination of art and nature. So you can easily make it a day of culture and nature. Whether you're a plant enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, the Royal Botanical Garden offers something for everyone. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, learn about the fascinating world of plants, and create lasting memories. Don't miss the chance to visit this plant lover's paradise on your next trip to Madrid. So there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of the top 5 natural spots in and around Madrid. From the serene gardens of Retiro Park to the breathtaking heights of the Sierra de Guadarrama, this city has something for every nature lover. I hope this video inspires you to get out there and explore the wild side of Madrid. Remember, adventure is just a step away, even in the heart of a bustling city.